In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Best Buy gift card balance. If you've got a Best Buy gift card and want to know exactly how much you have to spend, this quick walkthrough will make it simple. We'll use Best Buy's official balance lookup tool, and I'll point out a few helpful tips so everything goes smoothly. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Best Buy website. From the home page, locate the gift cards section in the main navigation. Select the option labeled Gift Card Balance Lookup. This takes you to the official balance page. Before you type anything, make sure you're on a secure Best Buy page. Look for the padlock icon in your browser and the correct web address so your information stays protected. On the balance page, you'll see two fields. In the first field, enter your 16-digit gift card number. This number is printed on the back of a physical card or included in your e-gift card email. Type it exactly as shown without spaces or dashes, and be careful with similar-looking digits like 0 and 8. If you're copying from an email, double check that no extra spaces slipped in before or after the number. Next, enter your 4-digit PIN in the second field. On a physical card, the PIN is usually under a scratch-off panel on the back. Gently scratch that area to reveal the code and keep it private. Only use it on Best Buy's official site. For an eGift card, the PIN will be listed alongside the card number in your message. Once both fields are filled in, click the Check Balance button. If the button is disabled or nothing happens, confirm you've entered all digits correctly. The card number should be 16 digits and the PIN exactly 4 digits. In a moment, your remaining balance will appear on the screen. That amount is what you can use toward purchases online or in store. Keep in mind, the balance reflects funds currently available. If you recently used the card, it may take a short time to update after a purchase. Best Buy gift cards generally don't expire, so you can hold on to the remaining balance for a future purchase if you prefer. That's all there is to it. By going to the gift card balance lookup page, entering your 16-digit number and 4-digit PIN, clicking check balance, and viewing the result, you'll always know exactly what's left on your card. Thanks for watching, and enjoy putting that balance to good use.